The NB Network with Dee's Photo.
It's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today, I am excited because I wanted to try out Trendmood Box. If you're familiar with Trendmood, you follow them on Twitter, and they're always giving the latest updates on what's happening in the makeup world. You can figure out if you see what products are there before they're even released. Often you get sneak peeks. They provide all this great content that, helps me stay informed and many others. Now, they have a box that they do sometimes every month, sometimes twice a month, sometimes, it varies. They don't have a set schedule. It's not a subscription. So it's like whenever you have to keep an eye open to see when the box is released and try and get it before it sells out. And this month I was able to get the Trendmood Box. These are all Black owned brands in here that they put together, and I am really excited to see what they have in here. I saw some of the companies' names and I was familiar with, and I was like, I've wanted to try their stuff before, so this is exciting. Or I've tried it and I use it, my daughter uses it. We have the palette, colored rain palette already, but I wanted to try more colored rain. So I know there's a colored rain in here. I don't remember everything else. I'm just really excited. So let's get to. All right, here I go. I'm gonna start opening. Now, Trendmood, this box sold for $39, and then I did pay the 98 cents for route shipping protection, because hey, 98 cents, thought it was good. So here is the inside. Ooh, I can't wait to see. Dun, 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 dun. Peel it off. So this is what I see here. They got a bunch of stuff in here packaged. And there it is. So let's see what we all got in here. So let's see. I don't know the prices. There is nothing in here telling me what these products actually do cost, so I will be doing research at the end of this video and be putting the prices up on the screen, as I do try to always do. So here we go. This is Mented, a nude LaLa matte lip shade from Mented. Okay. I always love a good nude shade. Oh, today I'm like all bright pink because I was using the Spoiled lips and the new Rest in Peace palette. I love this eye look today. I'm like, So, look at this. I love, this kind of resembles like a MAC. I love the the matte feeling of the tube. I could just play with it. That doesn't look right, does it? Okay, look at that. That's a really nice, it is a nude that is really, oh my gosh, and it feels so good. Look at how nice that is. I like these color nudes. I love that this is a darker nude. Also, this is great. So let's see what else I got here. Now, from Propa Beauty, I have a luminous satin lipstick that's called Focused. Let's check out this. Oh, look at the shape. Look at this. I like, this feels weird in my hands. It's not as nice feeling as the other one, but oh, look at that. I will try this one too. Now, okay, so this is very luminous. It almost, when it comes on, it's kind of like a gloss. The color also is very dark, and it's broken. Oh no, it is broken. I hate it when lipsticks come broken. Look at this, it's broken. Oh. That's so sad. No wonder I was having a hard time swatching it. It's all broken. That's sad. That makes me sad. That's the second time I popped open a lipstick since I've started doing these unboxing videos that's happened. I don't like that. I don't like it when that happens. So I'm just cleaning off some of my arm residue here. Okay, so now we have Colored Rain satin lipstick, and it's in Whipped. These are all very browns, neutral colors. I think colors that there's nothing adventurous so far. Oh, look at this. I like the little case. It looks classy. I like it. Now this looks a lot like some of the other colors. This one doesn't have the luminous look, and it's more matte. Let me compare it to this one. Okay, there's two different, they're all in the same like brown range. I do love browns. I do like these colors. Should I try and re-swatch the broken one? Yeah. See, it's got more of a sheerness base, and you have to cover it again to get a more full color for the luminous, which, like I said, it's more like a gloss, but that's really nice. I do like the, so those are the 3 different shades. Okay, this is pretty, so Colored Rain one I like too. I can't wait to try and see what they're like on my lips, but let's see here. And I've got from OPV, Metal and Liquid Glitter. Okay, you know, glitter, it's fun. I love to sparkle, but glitter products are really hard. Oh, look at this colors. Duh, I love it. This is so good for Halloween. The oranges, the fall weather. I love fall. Fall is my favorite time of year. In fact, a little unknown fact, my wife and I, we were married in October 24th in fall, because hello, fall is it. Now that comes with this kind of brush. Okay, I like the brush that it comes with. You can have a little bit more control of these glitters. I do like that. That looks like a mute face. I wasn't trying. But yeah, okay, so this Metal and Liquid Glitter, I am impressed with the packaging and how it's not falling everywhere. But if I mush it like that, you can get yeah, looks all glittery. That is nice. Okay, so OPV. Nice. Now here's something in here. It's Zodiac Cosmetics. You know, I love it. That's right up. I love how cutely it's wrapped up in here. And we get a 10% off code if you buy from Zodiac inside the box. That is really neat. And let's see here. This is, what exactly is this? It just says me ingredients. Oh, wow. This is Zeus. This is loose glitter. Look at that. Woo! And I like this material that it's used to. Oh, wow. That is, look at that. Look at how nicely that, I did not. This is really, I love this container. How it keeps it in there, in here, and way it goes on. It came out creamy. I was not expecting this creamy, beautiful texture. Wow. And look at the shine you get from that. Okay, Zodiac. You got me with that one. I need more of your stuff. Totally, that was impressive. All right, there are two more items in here. Now this is the Colored Rain Smoke Show palette. Let's see this open up. Look at this. Oh, let me take off the plastic. You have Cloudy, Naked Eye, Smoke Screen, which is like a shimmer. Yeah, it's a black shimmer. Showtime, which is an olive green, flammable, and torch. These colors will make a beautiful smoky eye. And I will swatch, so I will, right now I'm doing these, but I will swatch this palette up and show you the colors, how it comes out. I'm really liking, greens are really hard. Ooh, look at that green. Look at this. Lovely. Okay. Now, there's one more palette. Let me get my fingers cleaned. Yikes, the black is intense. That black shimmer. They usually are a little bit harder to get cleaned off of your hands. Look at my hand. I tried to clean up some. Now, let's see in here. There's one more item. Packed really securely. It's from OPV Beauty, Born to Shine Blush. This is a huge, I am interested. This is a monster blush palette. So let's see. Because right now my favorite blush palette is from Lunar Beauty. It's Moon Prism, and I love the blushes in it. But I was just thinking yesterday, I wish there was more variety and some really nice good blushes. And I've tried a lot of brands. Okay. I'm eager. I can't wait to see. Oh, honey, look at this. Look at this blush palette. The first color is Uplifting, Light, Smile, and it's got some sparkle into it. Some of them are matte. Some of them got like, oh no, they all are. Yeah. There's 3 mattes and 3 shiny ones. And there's Positive, Unstoppable, and Keep Calm. Oh my goodness. Yes, I will be swatching these. I'm not going to do my fingers right now. I still can't get some of the stains, so you're not going to be able to see until I look at these. These are really pretty soft. I like the feel of this powder too. I will swatch this. This is really a stunning blush palette. So many varieties. And it's definitely, I can use several of these colors. And you can also use some of it for a little contouring, but mainly blush, I really think. I think this is a palette that anybody can find something that they're going to like and mix colors. So that is what I've got. So what do I think of Trendmood's box? I'm impressed. I think they did choose quality brands, quality. They got quality products in here. It is a sad that this lipstick is broken. I don't know if Trendmood could fix this or not, because it's like everything sells out fast, but I will contact them and let them know that this came out so very broken. So very broken. It's just balancing. I don't want to touch it and show you pops off, but it does. I just don't need a mess. Okay, so for $39, I got this amazing, huge, large blush palette. I did get a smoky eye palette. I got glitter. I got this amazing glitter highlight. I mean, I'm just in awe of this. I got 3 lipsticks. Now, I usually do use liquid lips, but I do like a good lipstick now and then. So I'm not like one way or another, as some people are, and that's fine. Whatever works best for you, whichever you enjoy wearing more, that's all it's what this beauty is all about. If you're going to enjoy, I'm going to enjoy these items because they are just stunning. I think I'm impressed. I really am. So if you can get the next Trendmood box, go for it. You can't get this one. I'm sorry, it's already sold out, but keep an eye out. You can go to the Trendmood Box website and get on an email to get notified. But I find it easier. I get the messages more clearly and sooner by following them on Twitter and seeing when they're posting about their next Trendmood box. And then you can try and get it. Okay, so yeah, well, that's about all I have for today. It's Friday, TGIF. I hope you have a great weekend. I plan on just having a mellow weekend, maybe gaming and having fun with my kids. What do you guys plan on doing? I mean, with quarantine, you know, we're kind of limited. I can't take my kids out to some of the fun places like we used to, and that to me is very sad. I want to go to a Wahoo's. I want to go to some arcade park or a water park. It's not really safe right now, and especially in my city, we're closed up. And in fact, the schools, you could enroll for an online program or go with the in-class, but the in-class would also have to go virtual if there was a problem. And Boise School District did say, okay, we're gonna, virtual is going to be starting in the beginning for those who enrolled for a classroom, but they did allow people to choose the enroll for online. It's an online school setup, and I keeping my kids online for this semester. Hopefully, come after winter, beginning of 2021, things will be different. Fingers crossed. Hope and pray. I would love to see. This year has just tanked, hasn't it? Yeah. But I'm finding the good things to smile about and appreciate, and I am appreciating the time I am getting with my family. It's been nice. It really has. So, to everyone out there, please be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and I'll see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.